Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a mobile hotspot on your Android device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Network and Internet Connections or Mobile Network, depending on your device. Then, select Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot. Next, tap Mobile Hotspot and turn on the toggle. If you're setting it up for the first time, you can customize the hotspot name, create a secure password, and choose the security type if those options are available. Once your hotspot is enabled, other devices can connect by selecting your hotspot name from their Wi-Fi list and entering the password you created. Be sure to turn off the hotspot when you're finished to help save battery life and mobile data. And that's it, you've successfully created a mobile hotspot on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.